All right, let me start with our big story here. As I'm in the city of Bengaluru, you have the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, the BBMP, who's basically announced that they are going to be feeding stray dogs in Bengaluru. And one should know that the numbers here come to the tune of nearly 2.5 crores stray dogs. Now, these stray dogs will be fed by the BBMP, a tender to feed these dogs nice meat and rice, basically chicken rice and other nutritious items are going to be offered to the dogs so that their health could improve and they could be taken care of as many of the stray dogs go hungry. The BBMP has now rolled out this initiative to care for our friends on the streets. The human's most best, or rather the best companion of a human is said to be a dog. Street dogs are very well taken care of even otherwise in Bengaluru, but the BBMP believes that they need to be fed additionally with some chicken rice, etc. So now 2.8 crores tender has been given for it, which many are asking and questioning whether this is misplaced priorities or is this the right move. Let me take you through a quick look here. Many resident welfare associations, RWAs, residents, have also at this point raised safety concerns about stray dogs and dog bites, dog attacks. Indian cities, of course, we know are suffering from stray dog attacks, and at a time like this, the BBMP comes up with a ruling where they want to feed stray dogs so that they could nurture them and ensure that they're taken care of. But there is a law as per the Supreme Court. Dogs relocation is basically illegal, and according to the Animal Welfare Board of India guidelines, stray dogs have the right to food and that individuals have the right to feed them, even within gated communities. So basically, as much as welfare associations want the dogs to be out of their way because they are worried for their children and dog bites, etc., you have a Supreme Court ruling that also says relocation is illegal because it makes the animals aggressive, dogs aggressive. So you've got to take care of them. They've got to be neutered. The animal control program should be carried out effectively. They should be neutered, but they should not be relocated. Also, right to food is definitely their fundamental right. The Supreme Court very rightly highlighting those points. Now, stray dogs, largely we understand on many levels, also attacked due to hunger and many other reasons. Aggression, relocation is all aside, but hunger is primary, is what we understand as per research, going by the activists and reports given by the same civic body. So the BBMP now has decided that they're going to be feeding dogs. This is their scheme, the dog feeding scheme that they rolled out, which plans to serve daily chicken rice to 5,000 street dogs across the city. The civic body will spend rupees 22 per dog for 367 grams of chicken rice. So each dog will be given chicken rice across different zones of Bengaluru. Dogs will be identified, stray dogs who are hungry and abandoned, they will be fed. Now this tender is about 2.88 crores. That's already floated now. They floated this tender inviting registered service providers to deliver daily feeding services for several of these dogs across 8 BBMP zones. That's BBMP East, West, South, RR Nagar, Dasaralli, Bommanhalli, Yalanka and Mahadevpura. The scheme initially is for 1 year, will need selected vendor to independently establish kitchen infrastructure for cooking, manage utilities including water, electricity bills, and ensure safe drinking water is made available also at feeding points where these dogs are fed. So all meals must meet the hygiene and safety standards. Like I said, all meals including water should be effectively given with clean and sanitized where, like basically what they feed the dogs with must also be kept clean. It should be sanitized effectively. So these are rules and guidelines given by the BBMP, which some of them within the Congress itself haven't been very happy about. We understand that Karti Chidambaram of the Congress asking, is this really true? He in fact puts out a message on Twitter where he raises questions about priorities here. In fact, he says dogs have no place in the streets. He says the need to be, the dogs particularly need to be relocated to shelters where they can be fed, vaccinated and sterilized, where they can be taken care of. Feeding and keeping them in free roaming state on the streets is a huge safety and health hazard. This is Karthi Chidambaram, as he says that India has nearly 6.2 crore stray dogs, and one of the largest populations globally remains endemic for rabies as well. He basically says 36% of the world's rabies-related deaths are all due to stray dogs, and if at all the BBMP rolls this out, he really wonders if this scheme will really work. And remember, this is the same MP from the Congress party itself who raises questions on the Congress's decision here in Karnataka.